So I've been racking my head, excuse me, and I hope the audio is good. It is sleeting out here today. Temperature's 36. When I checked earlier, just wrapped up my workout, and I'm sitting here and realize that I haven't posted in over a month. So first and foremost, I apologize. I promised y'all and myself that I would post weekly. I ended up getting ill. It lasted almost 2 weeks. Then my wife got sick and it went around the house. So not to make any excuses, I just let all of that compound and the weight of it just got complacent. So moving on, I apologize. It's been a minute and here I am. I'm back at it. Took me a while too, and that's what I want to bring up. The importance of a routine. So my voice is still not cleared up the best, but at any rate, the importance of a routine. Why do I say that? So we all need routines. It's a fact of life that predictability equates success, or it's like a precursor to success. From the many books that I've read, podcasts that I've listened to, that rings true. Now, what also rings true is what is the foundation or the framework of that predictability. That should be your daily routine. That's what got disrupted. The reason I bring that up is because I came to the realization that once I got sick, that's what got disrupted, and I stopped working out. Now, I didn't work out for 2 weeks after I was good to go. I was no longer sick. I was good to go. And for a variety of reasons. But the foremost was complacency, and that led to me being lazy. I started falling into a bad routine, because if you're not in a productive routine, you're in an unproductive routine. There's no gray area. There's no middle ground. So if you're trying to enhance your life, whether it be through your spirituality, your faith, your family, your fitness, your finance, all that takes a structure. And that structure is formulated from your routine. So as you're building out your life, you need a solid foundation. And that solid foundation is your routine. I let that fall wayside when I got sick. Then I got better, and I still didn't bring back my foundational routine that was leading me to working out consistently, leading me to continually to improve my diet and learn how my body's adjusting to what I eat and what I don't eat. And I just pushed it to the side and left it there. Had I, these AirPods, hope they're not giving you guys issues, they're giving me issues. Had I picked up my routine as soon as I got better, I would have been 3 weeks ahead of where I'm at today. And that affected me negatively. So I've been trying to look out for my sugars, and I was doing well. I was trending down. Got to 124 from 205. Last week and a half, I was at 254 on my glucose meter. Just checked it yesterday, and I was back down to 152, I think it was. But had I continued my routine, I probably would have been down under 100 by now. So now I'm back to uphill battle, fighting time. My blood my blood test is coming up in 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, and here I am chasing those numbers when that's not a place you want to be. I wanted to create a lifestyle change. I wanted to make it to where my eating habits weren't a diet I was doing, but what I was doing. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. It's not who I wanted to be for a short period of time till I reach that goal. It's who I wanted to be going forward. And to maintain that, you need structure. That framework comes from your routine. So if you don't have a morning routine, you're going to fail at almost everything. You might brush your teeth every day, but still, that's a routine. You made it a habit. So that's what I was trying to work on. I wanted my routine to be so integral to my life and my daily activities that everything in it became habits. And then I would have added something, and that would have eventually became a habit. Then I would have added something, and it would have added something. You see how the building process goes to self-mastery, which I want to achieve through my experience. And yeah, granted, I read books, I watch videos, I listen to podcasts. Do your research. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you who you should watch, who you should listen to. Most of the known names are the known names out there. And I'm not here to drop any names, but I'm here to tell you that, hey, that's what helped me. So put in the work, establish that routine, and maintain it. I'm a living example, maybe a cautionary tale. I'm still sitting here at over 310 pounds where I should have been closer to 300 by now, but that's on me. I'm not gonna boo-hoo about it, accept it, and moving on. I just got a workout done in freezing weather. It's sleeting outside. My hands are frozen. That barbell burned when I was grabbing it, but I embraced the pain. I paid the price, and I'm continuing to build out my framework. So please adjust yourself. Recognize where you're failing. You need to be candid and honest with yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror. Record a video. I did it way back in the beginning before I started this journey. I had to search for it because it was essentially a letter to myself. And I viewed it, and it struck me hard because I was extremely candid. I probably will never show it. Maybe in the future, but I don't know. That's a personal video I made to myself, and it covered my insecurities. It covered what I'm good at. It gave myself a pat on the back when I could, and a kick in the cheeks on the areas that I had to. And there were many, believe me. I'm a work in progress. I've said it before, and I will continue to say, because I don't believe I will ever achieve in this system the man that God created me to be. So I hope you guys take this to heart, not as a fair warning, but as a cautionary tale. If you're trying to exceed or excel in anything in your life, you must have a routine that you follow. That routine will lead to habits, and those habits will lead to lifestyle changes, and those lifestyle changes will get you out of wherever it is you're at into something better, something greater than you are, something beneficial, not just to you, but to those who depend on you, those loved ones, and your community. So continue to get after it, and always remember, complaining changes nothing. Embrace the pain, pay the price, and continue to build out your framework. Peace.